But my Lord, I just wanted to end it there and thank all of you. But I only 2 points immaculate that I just needed to put a footnote because ebe juleba n'ọlụ agba ọlụ dịla anyị niile ebidogo one of them imetụrụ aka, which is the new form of insecurity anyị nwere. There's a new form, the dynamic of it a little bit different. Yes, I remember 2009, my father was kidnapped. He was in the bush for 15 days. Even I'm going to argue, have a debate about how much to pay for ransom. One of them, bah, hey, the wicked, come on, 500 million, can say you were there. I'm a graduate like you. I'm a graduate like you. Kefi chokamme. Kefi chokamme. Chokanzubori. Then my father just celebrated his 78th birthday, 2009. Before then, I think Tony Mas was kidnapped. After that, I think 2010 or 2011, Poco Bros was. GUO was. Even this guy in Banex Plaza. Who is who? Major people in Anambra. Well, kidnapping here, there. Or they go or Endigo. They go well there, to an end. Now we survived that. The new form that began shortly before Ibata into government was the one that ideology, and my Lord, where this warped ideology they are mixed with criminality. But this is organized as an army with central command and control. In a governor to no a sequel bozo send their reinforcement. Igbo commandant Kenon Achara, a sequel from Obli Swatch, dispatch a new commander. Panazo Biafra. That's the ideology. Better no go on a video when it was taking the form. I said to our people that many of us were complete because if we don't call Alo, I am a million away, because I intend with a role to play for us to rescue our society on the long term. If I be deliver, Pajide Piana na checkpoint, Ababu the police, on the army, we kept quiet. Even surreptitiously happy. Because there was this thing sold to us. No, the full.
Okay. Hey boss,